Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can fit an image into a cell in your documents on LibreOffice Calculator. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your document and your sheet on LibreOffice Calculator. Insert the image here at the top by clicking into Insert, and by selecting Image, navigate to the file on your device, locate it and position it, upload it and position it where you like. For example, I would like to position it here. So what you want to do, guys, is right click into the given image, and from that menu what you want to do is select Fit to Cell Size, and after that it will be moved to the next cell here. Now you can of course position it to another cell if you like, or right click into it again and select Original Size, and after that position it here somewhere else on your document. That's it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.